I'm looking for, yeah, it's that bird in the VIP line with the V-time and the East Laurent. Used to drive the Nissan, now she in a Beamer. I don't want her, cause she from the corner. And I heard that Beamer was the loner. Her old man the owner. And I don't even drink Coronas. What type of drink you want, bro? I'm champagne forever. I'm dirty Sprite forever.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you are new to my channel, hello. But if you're a returning subscriber, what's up? So in today's video, I'm actually super excited because it's been so long since I tried something different with my makeup. I'm just so into that natural, everyday, maybe a soft glam, but today we're bringing the dramatics, but still in a soft, subtle way. So if you want to step up your makeup look, but you know, you don't want to do too much yet, you're not ready, it's okay, because that's what we did in today's video. So for today, as you guys see, we're gonna be adding some pearls to the look, and I'm just so excited because when I say this look is eating, babes, it's eating, period. So if you are excited to see how we achieve this flawless glam, definitely keep on watching. All right, my love, so let's get into it. Firstly, make sure you start off with a freshly washed face so your makeup can just be sitting perfectly. Even though my face is washed, I'm gonna go ahead and take my pore perfecting toner, and this is just gonna wipe my face down and strip it from any impurities. And today we're going for a mattifying look, so I'm trying out the Milani's No Pore Zone primer, and I've never used this before. Really did like it. You guys know I love the calamine lotion, but for the girls that are not willing to try that out, this is a great inexpensive alternative. Now we're gonna be jumping into foundation. I know my foundation tube looks so crazy. It looked beat up, girl. I took it to South Carolina and she was just getting toe up. But I'm gonna be going ahead and taking the NARS Radiant foundation in shade Tahoe, and we're just gonna work that over the skin. And just look at the finish right now. That primer is just doing such a good job of just creating such a soft matte blur look. It looks really good. I'm also using my favorite brush to blend it out, which is the e.l.f. blending brush, sold at Walgreens for only $7, so get your hands on it if you need a new foundation brush. Next up, I'm going to be grabbing my Hourglass concealer in shade Dune. I absolutely love this concealer, but today we're not doing a full like heavy concealer. We're actually just going to be putting it in these areas because this concealer is very full coverage, so a little goes a long way. You know how to do my hearts. I haven't done my heart concealers in a long time. Have you guys remember my heart concealers? Oh my god. But anyways, we're just going to go ahead and blend out this using my Paw sponge. The Paw sponge is actually an amazing dupe from the Beauty Blender. It is so awesome. They literally give you like 9 of them for only $9, and they're sold at Amazon. So I always talk highly about this because I really love it. So check it out in my Amazon storefront, which is linked in the description box. So today I'm trying something new out. I typically always blend with my Beauty Blender or a brush under my eyes, but I'm actually using this powder puff to blend under my eyes. I wanted to see how the finish looks. I only use powder puffs to apply powder, but let me show y'all something. Yeah, yeah, it did what it needed to do, period. I really liked it. I think I'm actually going to be doing this a little bit more often, and I'm thinking about trying this technique out for my clients. I know people have been doing this, but it's new to me. So. Except for blush, I'm going to be taking the Juvias Place liquid blush. I am using, I'm not sure the shade names, I'm gonna link it down below just so I don't mess it up, but I'm just taking 2 shades, an orange tone and a pink tone, and we're just going to blend this into the skin. Be very wary, this is a very pigmented blush, so be very light-handed and just build up to your desired look. So now we're going to contour. Do not judge my contour stick. It looks like it's been through the wire. I don't know why it looks like this, but I'm using the black Opal contour stick or foundation stick in shade Hazelnut, and we're just applying that to all areas that need that extra warmth. Forehead, sides of the nose, and the cheekbones. You know, just giving me that warmth. You guys know I love color. Like, I love to just be very warm. Like, I'm stuck in that 2016. I'm stuck, girl. I'm stuck. Get me out. I love a warm, bronzy look. That is just so me. I was so excited because the face was definitely eating, y'all. But now we're going to go ahead and blend out my nose contour. And the best way to blend out your nose contour is using up and down motions. And then you want to pull the remaining contour to the outer portion of your nose. So now we're going to be taking the One Size powder to set. I know I've told you guys probably a million times I'm going to be trying a new setting powder soon. First of all, give me a little grace because Laura Mercier had me in a chokehold. Now I'm on to One Size, but my next victim is Huda Beauty. Or Huda Beauty. I'm so ready to get that in my makeup kit. I'm going to be going makeup shopping soon, and I'll take you guys on a vlog when I do that. And yeah, we're going to go for setting. We're just setting in all the areas that we applied our concealer, which is under our eyes, forehead, bridge of nose, under the lip, above the lip, all of those areas. And we're cutting our bronzer so we can have a sharp look, period. And yeah, I'm blowing kisses to y'all because I love you. I hope you love me back. If you do, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah. So now we're just setting everything else on my face with some powder. So we're using my blush. If you need help doing your eyebrows, I'm gonna go ahead and link down my video in the description box so you can check that out. But yeah, we're gonna jump into the eyes. So I'm gonna be using two palettes today. This is the Culture 2 palette. I just grabbed this for a brown shade. So grab any brown shade just to put that over your lid so it's not empty. I don't like empty eyelids. I just need some type of color there, like even the slightest bit of color, but just a little bit. We're blending that in. Now we're going to be doing kind of like a smoked out liner. This look is easier to attain when you have tape, but I don't have tape, so mine's going to be a little bit more smoky. But first you're going to take a light brown shade and just kind of, you know, smoke it out, just going back and forth with the brush in the shape of a wing liner. And then we're going to go in with a second deep brown and then a third deep brown. So this is just going to build the 3D effect, okay? If you guys want a detailed tutorial on that, I can do it, but here I'm just cleaning up the concealer because I didn't use tape. But the star of the show is the pearls. I got these pearls from Amazon, and I will link it in the description box as well. But I really wanted to try something new. I always do diamonds, so I said let's do some pearls. And you guys know prom is coming up. I know you guys are gonna be doing like really dramatic looks. So if you're a prom girly or you know someone going to prom, send them this video. And this can probably be something that they could do for prom, and it's super easy. Now we're just gonna dust off the remaining powder on my face. And I'm just using my face powder from MAC Studio Fix, and this is in shade C7. We're gonna pop on some mascara. My favorite mascara is the YSL mascara. It is 10 out of 10, top of the line. I love it, and I always use it for my bottom lashes because I barely have them, so they pull whatever I have out. And for lips, we're gonna go ahead and line with the dark brown lip liner from Ruby Kiss. You can get that at the beauty supply store. We're just gonna line my lips, and then we are going to be taking, don't kill me, the Team Stacy Cosmetics liquid lip gloss. I'm going to be dropping soon, I swear. I'm not even gonna say anymore, but just know she's coming, and we're coming with a bang, period. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight. I haven't highlighted in a very, very long time, but today we're just going to be adding a nice gold, like kind of essence to the look. So yeah, this is it. I'm so obsessed. We're gonna set and lock this girl down, and just keep watching for the ending of the video. Alright my love, so that's the end of today's video. In today's video we had to go ahead and try something new for the girls. Tell me if you guys like it because I'm in love right now. Like I can't stop smiling. I love this look so much. I feel like it looks so good, and it's like it's subtle, but then it's still like, you know, it's giving birthday, it's giving, I don't know. Where would you wear this look? Comment down below where you wear this look. But besides that, I'm so obsessed with this look. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want more content like this. We can try some more looks out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hate this part of the video. I hate when we get to the end. But I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. So make sure you guys comment down below this secret emoji. That's how I know you guys are locked in your gang, okay? Subscribe to the channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.